Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool setup that we have here. This is Bob's telephone equipment from South Carolina, and Bob has a home railroad setup, and this is all going to be utilized in that home railroad setup. And basically he's designed himself a really cool situation here where he has a set of headphones, and I'm going to show you them real quick. He's got a 15A headset here, and basically this is going to be his headset that he's going to utilize, and so that'll be a part of his setup. And he's got another receiver capsule here that is probably going to be used as a spare, or you know, if one of the receiver capsules is bad or something. So we have that also. And then we have a candlestick telephone that does not have a base on it. And so basically all this equipment is in just beautiful condition. And basically this candlestick phone is going to be on a scissors. And so what's going to happen is, if you've ever seen the scissors, he'll be able to pull this candlestick out and then push it against the wall again. And it's in very good condition, as you can see. Another thing I want to show you here is all the work that he's done on the box. I've got the bells protected here. I've got some plastic over them, but he's routed out all the holes for his keypad, and he's just done a fantastic job here. It's showroom quality, and basically, yeah, I mean, he could do this professionally. He's done such a great job on this, and I want to show you the inside here. We have some things left over that we had talked about that we wanted to be left into the situation for our rewiring purposes. We have the hook switch here, and we also have a modular line port to the original equipment that was still left in connection here. So that won't be here either. We're going to take all this out. The candlestick will replace the hook switch because the candlestick has a hook switch on it. We also have our receiver modular port here, and that will no longer be the case after we start rewiring everything up. And also he's rerouted this bell. He's used a more modern bell, something that you would see like in a 2500 set, and he's just done a really good job. I mean, it mimics what would be originally done on a telephone box of this nature, and he's just done a fantastic job here. And he's got his keypad mounted in, and everything routed out to hold his keypad. And then we have our network here that he's you know, you're going to need a network if you're going to use it as a telephone, so he's got his network installed here. He also has we sent him 2 modular line ports that he basically routed out the holes and installed the modular line ports that are going to be connected to the network and everything, that, you know, so it's all in working condition. We have one modular port that's going to feed the line, more or less it's going to be our feed, and then the other modular line port will feed the candlestick. So anyway, basically it's just a beautiful setup, and you know, I hope he takes some pictures of everything. We can get it up on our web page after he finishes installing all this equipment. And I kind of want to show you the bottom here. I'll shut the door here real quick and tuck everything in so that it's not in our way. want to show you the bottom of this unit also, where he has installed his modular line ports. So Bob could probably, basically be doing this professionally if, time, I don't know how much time he's got. The railroad probably takes a lot of his time that he works on, but he's got some really beautiful equipment here, and it's just going to be a really cool setup when he finishes this all up and we get it all wired for him. And this is the initial checkout of this telephone equipment that's going to be associated with his home railroad, and it's just going to be a really beautiful thing, I think. And the candlestick will be on a set of scissors. He didn't send the scissors. There was no need to send them in, but you could imagine, it's mounted on a set of scissors, and he can pull the transmitter over. He can talk on the candlestick telephone, and then move the scissors back over. So it's really going to be a cool setup. And we do have to contact Bob. I want to get some last exact measurements of some of the line cords and cords that we're going to be using, and get all that straightened out. But I wanted to do an initial checkout of this telephone equipment, and then we're going to get some more videos out of it after we are finished, or even maybe in the middle of the process of working on this equipment. And it's just going to be a really fantastic situation when we finish up. And Bob's going to be happy to get this stuff back, because I know I've talked to him a couple of times about it, and he's really got a cool setup here. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Bob's Equipment from South Carolina for his home railroad setup. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.